Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Bilal AI Universe YouTube channel. So take a look at this Instagram account, you guys. So this account has gained like around 1 million followers for his just 56 posts. And all of his posts that he has made are all reels. And this guy has taken a very smart move. He has chosen a niche that is really, really cute and really pleasing to eye. So first of all, if I show you, this niche is completely based on an Indian culture. So he's taken a cute monkey and, with these different scenarios, like maybe that cute baby monkey, in fact, in the school, in the river, in the garden, in the jungle, all of these, cute scenarios, and basically made reels out of those. So yeah, that is a really, really smart move. And if you see his bio, so he's saying, he has gained 1 million subscribers in YouTube as well. So yeah, these kind of stats are literally insane. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create these kind of videos and gain like same amount of stats, and you can go ahead and upload it on Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, and gain so many followers and subscribers in no time. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take the first video on his Instagram account. So this is that video. As you guys can see, he is basically stealing some fish, running away, and then this is basically a kind of a story. Then these both guys are gonna pick him, and then he's gonna throw him in the river. And in the next scene, a fish is gonna come to rescue him. So it is basically kind of like a moral story. You all kindness, like you can see, kindness always comes back. So the fish gonna have a flashback. Okay, this guy was used to, help us and everything. So yeah, this is how we're gonna go ahead and make that. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and play this video once again, and I'm gonna start with like the very beginning from here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this first of all, come to Chat GPT straight away and paste my screenshot right over here. And now for the prompts. So if I show you guys initially, like I worked on this and I have to play around with so many prompts in order to get my right set of prompts, and there was so much problems. If I can show you guys, I was getting so much error, like ChatGPT wasn't helping me to create images. But you don't have to worry about it at all, because I have prepared the set of prompts that you'll be needing in order to generate these kind of prompts with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, first prompt is this, then this is the second prompt. You have to basically input that one by one into ChatGPT in order to get that. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and copy my first prompt from here. And don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna copy paste these prompts down in the description for you guys so that you can use them for yourself as well and start creating these videos. So with this image, I'm gonna copy paste my first prompt, hit enter. And now you guys will see ChatGPT is gonna basically analyze my this image and is gonna provide me, a prompt for this image in a very cute way. So now we have a cute baby monkey, the main character standing in the middle of a vibrant Indian market, and all of that. Okay, and so from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and provide a story to ChatGPT, provide some essential information to ChatGPT, what we want, and then we need to ask, like, we need to, like, generate series of prompt out of ChatGPT. So for that, I have created my second prompt as well, which will contain basically everything: the story, the conditions to follow, and you just have to simply copy paste this prompt in the same chat in ChatGPT right over here, hit enter. Okay. And the next thing you'll see, ChatGPT is gonna basically start generating the scenes for you in the form of prompts. And now your prompts are ready to go. You need to go ahead and simply copy paste those into ChatGPT once again to generate images, right? So yeah, once all of your prompts are done, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and simply copy paste all of these prompts to ChatGPT one by one. All right, so as you guys can see, once you have copy pasted all of your prompts in ChatGPT, so these would be the kind of images that it's gonna provide you. So take a look at these images, right? These look absolutely perfect. Like, how accurate, like, let me show you. These words are in reference video, and out of that, ChatGPT basically created some of very HD looking images that like even look better than the reference video. And like, take a look at this. So, this guy's beating the monkey, then they are throwing them like, him in the river, then he is in the river. Okay, this was a poultry image. This is in the river. Then fish sees him. Then, fish carries him away, and all this happens. He comes out, and, all of these images now I have created. I'm going to simply go ahead and download all of these images with me one by one. All right, so once I've downloaded all of my images right over here, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and animate those images into videos. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and use one of my top most favorite AI video generator, which is design.ai. So we're gonna go to the homepage of design.ai, go to your AI tools section right over here. And from here, you need to select image to video generation because obviously that's what we're doing. All right. And from here, you need to make sure you select your model as Kling 2.1 standard. And first of all, start by uploading your first image right over here onto your canvas. Here we go. And for the prompt, you need to be very much concise. Like, for this, I'm going to say monkey in the market looking here and there. Like, this would be my first prompt. And simply need to go ahead and click on generate. All right, and for that, it's gonna provide me with this generation. Like, take a look at this. This looks absolutely perfect. The camera movement, the way the monkey is moving naturally, looks absolutely beautiful, right? And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and basically animate all of my generations in design.ai one by one, just like that. Like for example, for this, provided the prompt like monkey running with the fish in his hand, like simple. This is how simply you have to describe your prompt. Then like take a look at this, both of these guys are gonna pick him and throw him in the river. All right, that's beautiful. Then he's floating down in the river. Then a fish sees him in surprise. Then he basically has flashback and everything. And now I'm gonna go ahead simply download all of my scenes from here one by one, you guys. Okay, from this download button. All right, so once all of my videos are downloaded with me, as you guys can see right over here, so the next thing is we need to go ahead and edit all of these videos together, providing some sound effect, do a little bit of editing, provide some background music that's really trending. And once you do all of that, let me show you the final output, like how it's gonna look like. So there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method you can create these kind of very beautiful, very cute monkey type videos with the help of AI tools with ChatGPT and literally any AI video generator that you like that suits you the most. I'm very much comfortable with design.ai. That's why I use it very much. But you can use like Kling AI, Runway. You can use like any free alternative as well that you really like. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.